Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorials, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the problem that your chat is restricted in your region on Roblox. So I'm going to be showing you two ways, both on mobile and both on PC. So what you just need to do is first, since we're here on PC, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it on PC. So first of all, you just need to open your search bar, by pressing your Windows key, search up region, and then go to region over here, this settings over here, and then you make sure that this one is set to United States English. Set this one to English United States, that one, apply, okay, and then afterwards you go to date and time, change date and time, we're going there. And then from here you go over to change the date and time format, make sure that it's set to Gregorian calendar, and then you go to language and region, and then make sure that it's one is set to English United States. So that's how you should do it on, yeah, this one as well, English United States. That's how you should do it on PC. Now let's move over to my phone. In order to do it on your phone, all you need to do is to head over to Roblox support. Roblox support, and then you go over here to this website, and then you just choose your date, month of birth, like that. Continue. You write down your username, first name, email address, and everything. Now you choose what device you're using. I'm using my Android phone, and then you choose which help problem you need with. You go to for this one you go to how to, then how to change my location. Now you just need to explain your problem with this one. You have to mention why you can't use or like chat, and of course you need to have proper evidence as to why, proper description, proper explanation as to why that might be. For instance, you could say that because I have moved to another location, which is why blah blah blah. So basically you just have to mention all of that before you are able to continue. Of course you need to fill in all the necessary details, such as the email address, before you can move on to it. But that's it. That is how you can do it on mobile and your PC. Hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.